Discover your path to success. Welcome to the exciting world of aviation management, where dreams take flight and opportunities soar high. Are you ready to embark on a journey that will shape your future and open doors to endless possibilities? Introducing BBA Aviation Management. Our BBA Aviation Management program is designed to equip you with the knowledge, skills, and expertise needed to thrive in the dynamic aviation industry. Whether you dream of managing airports, airlines, or aviation-related businesses, our comprehensive curriculum prepares you for success. Key features and benefits. Display key features of the BBA Aviation Management program, such as specialized courses, industry partnerships, internships, and career development opportunities. Discover a curriculum tailored to meet the demands of the aviation industry, with courses covering aviation operations, airport management, airline business, aviation law, safety and security, and more. Gain hands-on experience through internships, industry projects, and real-world simulations. Benefit from our strong industry partnerships and network with leading aviation professionals. Enroll today. 977-080-6555 for admissions. https://sveducation.com/aviation-info/. Ready to embark on your journey in aviation management? Enroll in our BBA Aviation Management program today and join a community of passionate individuals dedicated to shaping the future of aviation.